And good morning, Bitcoin Gladiators. This is Drew coming at you with the market morning report. And just want to extend happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and for more prosperity and health for another year. Now, taking a look at the market here this morning, we begin to see over the weekend that the bulls have lost their hand in the market. So the bears now have taken over. But as we can see here, there is a very strong support at 56,400, and so we're beginning to see that the bears are beginning to lose their ability. So what I'm going to be doing in my positioning here is looking for it to break above this line here, and once it does, at any point, I'm going to put a position going long. If it breaks, I won't wait until it breaks past this red support at 56,400, then I'm going to go short. But at this time, I don't foresee seeing it crossing this red line anytime soon. It may come down and again channel here, but once it crosses this line here, we're anticipating it to again go bullish. So I wouldn't be too concerned quite yet with regards to the cycle. I don't see this as a bear signal in long term. I just think that this is just part of the consolidation over the course of the months that we've seen great increase. So because of this, it also affects, of course, our other altcoins, especially XRP. I mean, it went down 3%, but then again, with this line, we understand that once it starts going back up, it's going to go higher. So this again is normal, especially for moves like this. We've been seeing great profit in XRP going long, so we're going to expect it to do this also. So I'm looking into a position going long once it crosses any of these price points, but I don't foresee seeing this coming up through here in the next few days. I think it's going to channel here probably to go as low as $1.38, but either way, we have plan A, which means at any point if it crosses this line here, and you can see my price points at, $1.54, $1.53, $1.52, like, and so we're going to follow this line until it crosses. But if it does come down this way, then we're going to go short, but it's not going to go that far. It'll probably go down to about $1.36 at maximum. So we're in a good position. I mean, doesn't mean every single day you need to be in it. This is a game of patience and virtue, because patience is a virtue and virtue is profit. So you gotta just wait. I mean, it's not like this is going to be the end of the world and there's nothing after this. I mean, there's always opportunity after something like this. Like here, as you can see, it did the same and then it dropped, right? So kudos to those followed my trade going short. And eventually, once it bottoms, it's going to go up. So this is part of how we trade, just like that. So, we just got to be patient. We got to watch this. You could be trading from here to here too, but it's not that much of a spread. I mean, it's okay. It's like 10%, but you got to be really careful. So if you're more experienced, then you can. Like I play this line here and I go long and short all the time. Because like for here, I got in and then I block profit here, but it's up to you, right, of what you feel comfortable. And then I went here and then I sold here, right? So then now I didn't go in yet because it didn't go down far enough. So I'm waiting, and then it went down here. I went in here and then it went up here. But then now I'm waiting again because it's not good, right? So I went into here and then it went to here. But then now I'm just waiting for it to continue to go up, but I'm going to buy again once it hits here. But for those who don't have much experience, I wouldn't suggest doing that. Just wait for positive confirmation pricing, like that it passes this certain line, so that you can be for sure knowing that you're going to make the right decision with regards to the direction of the market. So with that said, not too much happening today, which is good. Spend time with your mommy. I wouldn't spend all your time looking at the markets during Mother's Day. think, you know, your mothers do deserve your time, because time is more valuable than a Bitcoin. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll be doing another update around 3 o'clock just to see where it's headed, and then concluding in the evening for another preparation for another 7 days of great trading. Other than that, thank you so much for subscribing. Also, for those who are following me via Facebook and the comments and the people that have been making money through following the trades. And also, thank you for respecting my request of, you know, being positive in the comments section. And also, you know, we're all in this together. So have yourselves a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.